Hi everyone, it's Miss Chester here. I just wanted to make a quick little video for you on how to view teacher feedback on a Google Doc. For those of you working on independent projects, you've now moved on to creating a Google folder, sharing it with me, and keeping me updated when you complete sections of your independent project. So instead of quote unquote handing in every step of your project, you share a Google folder with me with all your docs. So say you are working on a novel study, there's 4 sections to the novel study, and for each section you complete a certain amount of work. And then most of you just send me an email and say, hey Miss Chester, I'm done section 2 of my novel study, if you can go take a look. I hop onto your Google Doc and then I check it out, and then I'll leave you some feedback. And I understand that for most of you, you aren't used to working with Google Docs in that way, handing them in and having a teacher give you feedback directly on the Google Doc. So I just wanted to show you how that works and how you can see the feedback and exactly what I'm commenting on. So think of it as kind of me writing on a piece of paper with red pen, circling or underlining your mistakes or something you did really well, whatever it is I'm commenting on, and you are able to check it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. So this is an assignment that I am just finishing. I'm about to upload for my BC First Peoples. We're looking at First Peoples art and culture. And so say this is an assignment that someone was handing in to me. And the way I comment, I just say add a comment. So say collection. I might say choose better wording. And then say I might go on and say that I'm suggesting learning task as an alternative to assignment goal. And so you'll see the comments pop up along the side, but for some of you, I do put quite a few comments, and so you'll see them kind of on top of each other, right? So the highlighted area is a comment that I've made. So it'll say exactly, we'll just do that for now, exactly what sections have been commented on, but it doesn't necessarily, especially when a lot of those comments start to build up, it's not always super clear how you can see what comment is related to what section of your work. And there's a couple ways to do that. So the first way to see a comment and what is actually being commented on is to click the highlighted section, and you'll see that comment will jump out, right? So I click that highlighted section and these comments stay the same because that's not the comment for that section. And then when I X out of it, it goes back. So again, if you click on a highlighted section, the comment for that section should pop out. Another way to view feedback and what the feedback is actually commenting on, you can do it from the opposite side as well. So you can pick, say you're like suggestion, learning task, what does that mean? You can click on the comments and it'll deepen the highlight. So you saw, again, we'll X out of it, click on that comment, this highlighted section lights up. Okay, so 2 different ways to view comments and what's actually being commented on. Again, all of the commented sections will show up along the right side here, and then I would have highlighted what I was commenting on, and in order to see the exact highlighted section and exact comment that coincides with that section, you can click on the highlighted section to have the comment jump out, or you can click on the comment and it'll deepen the highlight on the section that that comment relates to. I hope that helps, guys, and if you have any questions, as always, send me an email.